Hi students, welcome back. Today we will start the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In this lecture we will discuss about the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons? First of all, we will discuss about the hydrocarbon. As it is obvious from the name that what is hydro, it refers to hydrogen. And what is mean by carbons? It refers as the carbons. Mean those compounds containing carbon plus hydrogen. These are actually known as hydrocarbons. Hydrogen and carbon atoms, which are known as hydrocarbons. So those compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen, actually these are hydrocarbons. So how we will define it? It will be defined as the compound containing carbon and hydrogen called hydrocarbons. Now we will come toward the saturated hydrocarbons. Remember that all those hydrocarbons which have carbon-carbon atom and having single bond between carbon-carbon atoms, sometimes also between carbon and hydrogen atoms. These are known as saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons which contains carbon-carbon single bonds called saturated hydrocarbons. This is actually the very shortest definition. Now the saturated hydrocarbons, it is also known as alkanes. The saturated hydrocarbon also known as alkanes. Why it is known as alkane? Because it contains single bond between carbon-carbon atom and carbon-hydrogen atoms. But the main thing is that a carbon-carbon atom containing single bond. Carbon-carbon atom containing single bond. General formula for alkanes is actually CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. N show the number of carbon atoms. In alkanes, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. Examples of alkanes are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. Now, how this carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms? For example, first of all, we will take a very simple example. Methane containing 1 carbon. That is why it is known as methane. Meth mean 1. N mean containing single bond. So this one example we will take first this one example. Meth, the compound containing only single carbon atom. This is known as single carbon atom. This is known as meth. Meth N containing single bond between carbon and hydrogen atoms. Now ethane, it contains 2 carbon atoms. Eth mean 2 and having single bond between carbon and hydrogen atoms. This is also an alkane. So, and this is also an alkane. Prop mean 3. But mean 4, etc. So this containing 4, this containing 3 carbon atom, this containing 4 carbon atom, and this containing 5 carbon atom, etc. So inshallah in the next lecture we will discuss about the unsaturated hydrocarbons. That what are the unsaturated hydrocarbons? Today we have discussed about the saturated hydrocarbons. If you have any question regarding this one lecture, you can ask in the comment box. There are a lot of examples of the saturated hydrocarbons. If you have any difficulty, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.